Hey, welcome back to my channel. Sarge's Pancake Black Welding Hood Helmet Right. Color, black, lightweight balsa wood eyepiece with phenolic formica face and side shield. Accommodates standard lens and cheater or a Miller fixed shade electronic lens. Weight, 12.5 ounces. Face shield, 10.5 inches. Side shield, 5.8 in x 8 in. Each hood comes with one handmade, adjustable 1.5 in elastic headband and one piece of 100 cm sandpaper for custom fitting of the eyepiece. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.